each time you really understand something about yourself, you unlock who you are, the places you experience.
So I am here at Alaia. I want to say Alaia, but it's Alaia autograph collection in Belize, in St. Pedro, Ambergris K actually. And this beautiful third floor room with a view of the pool in the Caribbean Sea. It's very unique. At first I was going to say I don't like it, but it's all right. So this is a public entrance. You come off the elevator, you make a turn or two, and you come around the corner to get into the room. And you are getting into the room from your patio, which is different. I've never seen this. You use your key, and then you're in the room. You do not come in any other way, and then this door is actually the connecting door to a one bedroom suite. I am in the Ocean View Vista Studio Suite. Still a good amount of space. So, I love a good modern hotel room, and this is it. So, hey Belize.